Today I want to demonstrate how to make a caramel macchiato or an iced caramel latte on a Breville Barista Express. Now my hope and goal with this drink is it to be similar to what you would get at a local Starbucks. So you're going to start off with grinding for a double dose using the biggest filter basket you have with the Breville Barista Express. Alright, as you're done grinding, you're going to slowly lift off your portafilter and kind of shove and level out the grounds a little bit and push them down with the palm of your hand. The reason for this is it just makes it a little bit easier to tamp. If you are using a scale, you will be aiming for 18 grams of coffee into the portafilter. Sorry about the finger touch right there. And you're simply just going to tamp a nice level. You don't have to do super firm. To level it out, I kind of use the tips of my fingers and kind of drag it over, and that'll give me an idea. The next step you're going to do is you're going to simply flush your group head by clicking the 1 cup button. And then after just a little bit of water comes out and it's starting to flow pretty evenly, you're going to shut it off again. You're going to place your portafilter into the lock position on the espresso machine, and you're going to place your cup underneath of it, and then you're going to click the double cup button right here. And then after a little bit of time and a little bit of pre-infusion, you should see some espresso to come out. Here we go. In just a bit, there we are. And I usually aim for, again, 18 grams of espresso in the cup and 36 roughly out. So it's a 1-to-2 ratio is what I aim for on my espresso, and around 30 seconds of time in the shot that I pull. This one might be going a little bit longer than that, but that is okay. I found that it's a little bit harder to get longer shots than shorter shots on this Breville. And then you're going to take out your portafilter and do a simple knocking it out in your knock box, and then I'm going to just go ahead and take care of washing that later. And then I always like to flush my group head one more time after that to get any coffee stuff out of it. The next step you're going to do, and I found this best, is you're going to take a scale, roughly so you know the consistency of it, and take some Hershey's caramel syrup, and you're going to put about 30 grams into it, but put it into your taste. So some people like things a little sweetened, others don't. You can even make it run on the sides if you want to. And then you're going to pour your shot of espresso in it. And then after you do that, you're going to just simply shut this off and move your scale out of the way. And then just, the nice thing about it is when you warm up your syrup, it's a lot easier to mix together in the cup. So where you're going to get at now is this beverage is going to be pretty hot, so you're going to just go ahead and drop about 3 ice cubes in it. And you're going to give it a quick little stir. And that's going to chill it pretty quickly. And then you are going to add some milk to taste. So depending on how you like it. And the best way to do this is with the scale, because it'll give you more of an idea. And you're going to fill it up a little bit there. And you're going to just simply stir a little more with your spoon, and then add a few more pieces of ice, and there you have it. You have a caramel iced latte or caramel macchiato, whatever you want to call it. For some fun, you can simply add a little bit of whipped cream on the top, and caramel sauce if you'd like on top of that whipped cream, and then a straw. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTubes for more coffee videos, and have a great day.